Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate English. Heat 2 cups whole milk in a saucepan until steaming but not boiling. Whisk in 2 tablespoons cocoa or 2 Oz chopped dark chocolate. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tsp vanilla. Simmer for 2 minutes while whisking, pour into mugs, top with whipped cream or a marshmallow, and serve immediately for best texture and warmth. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to make the process smooth and calm. Use a small whisk or spoon and a saucepan with low sides so you can whisk comfortably. Pre-measured ingredients help you avoid overcooking. Keep a ladle nearby to pour evenly. Taste and adjust sweetness as it simmers, and have garnishes ready to add a cozy finishing touch when you serve to friends or family. Start by warming the milk over medium-low heat and whisk continuously to prevent a skin from forming. Slowly add cocoa or melted chocolate so it blends smoothly and becomes glossy. Keep stirring while it simmers for about 2 minutes to thicken slightly and develop flavor. Remove from heat, stir in vanilla, and pour into pre-warmed mugs. Top as desired and enjoy a rich, comforting cup with minimal fuss and great.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.